Hi, I'm Connie. Nice to meet you again. Today I'm very happy to introduce Advantech new generation management switches, AT7710 series to you. This presentation may take you about 30 minutes. If you can have a coffee, that would be better, and take a note if you can. Okay, if everyone gets ready, let's start from market overview. When people are talking about Industrial 4.0, smart city, intelligent transportation, all are achievement of IoT. The fundamental factor of IoT is connecting everything. Everything connects together and gather all the information, so-called big data, and analyze the data when provide service to improve humans' life. Because of this big trend, networking product will be everywhere. Because networking products is for connectivity. If you believe IoT is big trend, no doubt switch demand is blooming now with the big trend. Down to the reality, what vertical market require networking communication products? Basically, I would say all of them. Here let me share you the top 15 vertical markets spending the most money for industrial communication. You can see most of them are what Advantech has been addressing for years. We're very successful on those vertical markets, but unfortunately, most of Advantech IPC connects to competitors' switches. It's really pity because it's a big money we are losing. As you know, ICG provides various switches to satisfy all the applications. People can find right networking product from Advantech, and they will also provide key selling point for each layer to differentiate from competitors. How big is the market? From IHS report, you'll be very surprised that managed switch is the biggest portion in the networking market, even bigger than unmanaged switch, about 52% share in 2015 and will grow to 55% in 2017. Exciting thing is compound annual growth rate is up to 13.4%. Growth rate is higher than other devices. If you are always selling unmanaged switches, you should try to turn to managed switch. If you never sell any switch, you can start from the biggest one for no doubt. Okay, after a glance at the market, the next few pages are about product specifications and what kind of selling points we are going to highlight and promote. Improved network management with the AT7710 series. Its series include 8 models. With full management features and fast and easy deployment is most important benefit customer will get from our product. You'll see I circle some features here. I will explain more details in following pages for some of them. This is appearance of AT7710s with a very ruggedized design. This series includes 8 models. The last 2 digits show you how many ports in total to make you easily select your product. 10 ports including 2 gigabit combo port for uplink data to up layer like central room, or to extend distance by fiber optic cable, and more is to use as ring topologies for redundancy. The ARJ45 port, sometimes we call them Cobalt port. We have 5 Ethernet and a Gigabit Ethernet for option. For PoE models, they serve power to power devices. From port density, 10 port is applied in various applications. It's typical models for managed switches. Talking about power input, it's also a very important spec for customer. We provide dual power input for redundancy, wide power input range, protective current overload design, and a power fail alarm. Also, LED indicator for easy troubleshooting, like power status, ring status, system status, and so on. And let's go down to the console port. This port is not for connectivity. It's for an administrator access since it's a managed switches. You can access it to configure, manage, or monitor via this port. Most important thing is why people choose industrial-grade switches. Because we support ruggedized design like IP30 rating housing, EMS level 3 to prevent electrical noise. Of course, wide temperature is supported, and UL 508 certifies and anti-explosions at C1D2 compliant. Those makes our device can work well in harsh environment. Managed switches provide a lot of features and functions that unmanaged switches doesn't have. Sometimes those technical terms may confuse you, but don't let it get on your nerves. Just remember, managed switches is a very mature product in the market. There is no different from functional-wise compared. If your customer need more information for any one of them, just call ICG the support. We'd love to help. If so, how to win? We can win, of course, because we know the customer pain points. We not only know customer pain points, but also solve it. Let's see what does Control Design Magazine says. It says AK7710 with IXM technology solve real-world problem. We all agreed operation is the key. IXM technology, fast and easy deployment functions really solve customer problem and save their money. What is IXM? You may say, come on, there's no more new term. But don't worry, I'm here to prepare a very short video to make you understand how it works and what benefit you will get. So let's enjoy the video, it's very interesting. Let's check it out. I wish you liked the video. You should see a very simple but strong message from the video. IXM is fast deployment. IXM technology can benefit users to fast deploy UF infrastructure, and this can save engineers lots of time and cost. If you use legacy way to deployment, you have no choice to do it one by one. But if using our IXM, one setting can auto-synchronize to rest. You can save time up to 90%. It's amazing, isn't it? Operation is key. Time is money. You help our customers save time, save cost. The greatest thing is the technology is embedded with our AK7710. You don't need any extra utility to install in your PC. Besides 90% time saving, it's also very user-friendly. Other competitors may have the similar functions with utilities, but they need to install on their devices. Customers can enjoy IXM without any installations and use it anytime, anywhere. So, Advantech IXM technology is the most efficiency and the simplest way to help our customers. In the A models, there are 4 of them provide PoE functions serving 120 watts for various power devices like IP cams or Wi-Fi access points. We also support both 802.3 AF and 802.3AT. When it's difficult to use local power, with PoE only one cable is required. From studies, estimate of cost saving using PoE range from $500 to $1,000 per port. It saves a lot. In larger settings like a factory or a train station, this represents a major cost reduction. Ring technology is a must-to-have spec for management switches. The mechanism is to enable S-ring function. Here is a simple explanation for you. In normal, data will travel this way. In case the cable crashes with unknown reason, data will change its direction automatically within 20 milliseconds to ensure data stability. AK7710 is compatible with all AK7000 series. They can work well together. When a big field site has cellular completely, we thought connection is always there, but in the real world, it's not. When disconnected somewhere in a factory or a solar farm, it's very difficult to check where it goes wrong. Now you can see the cable status and a fiber transceiver health monitor, like temperature to help manager to monitor and easy troubleshooting. I will go quickly through these 2 pages. We will provide a full range series to fulfill different applications by different port density. You see, the first step is what we were. We were good, but not good enough. The second step is what we are now. Our brand new management switches with IXM technology will make our product portfolio much better. And we plan to launch more products like 12 ports, 20 ports, and 28 ports in second quarter of 2016. You'll see our product portfolio will become complete and strong to make our sales to have a right ribbon to fight. This is another table from market point of view. You'll see Advantech portfolio is the best in the market compared with other competitors. Please be confident. Now you have the product, and I'm gonna show you 3 common and typical application scenarios to help you prop potential business. This is an application in semiconductor production line. It's a dry bump monitoring system. We use Purview to connect various I/O devices, and will use AK7710 as aggregations and redundancy to ensure networking reliability. And this is one of application of transportations, electronic tool collection system in highway. We use AK7710 providing PoE to IP cans and use fiber to extend distance. Usually, this case will need 100 devices, and wide temperature is required because it will be installed outside. And this is the other one application of transportation, road surveillance and traffic management. We use AK7710 to connect IP CAN or traffic signal. Gigabit can transmit and receive high resolution frame. QoS can guarantee frame priority. And you can sit in the central room to monitor the traffic. Okay, this is the last section for today. I'm preparing some material to help our sales to sell our product much easier. Here is a table we call it order information. You can select right product according to customer needs. We suggest you start from the speed option. You can choose the fast Ethernet on your left hand and the Gigabit Ethernet on your right hand. And then ask your customer PoE function is needed or they don't need it. So there are 4 of them have the PoE functions. And then you can move down to the temperature. You can select the wide temperature up to 75 degree central height or the normal temperature. And the certifications, we have many different certifications aimed to different vertical market. you can based on your customer and have the correct product based on this table. We also prepare more and better sales material this time. They are already like the sales kit. We have a rich versions and we have a light version based on different requirements. And we also provide an application note. Application note is to show different application, different scenario to use our IXM. You can show to your customer how to use our IXM technology in a real environment to help them to make them work efficiency and to upgrade their environment. And if for some technical guys, I think they may interested in the technical information like the white paper. So white paper is much deeper documentation for technical guys. So we still have this kind of documentation. So if you need, just access it and download. And don't forget the interesting video. I think the video is very important and it has been put on the YouTube. Just show you the customer this kind of video to very quickly to understand our IXM technology. And because you are selling the managed switches, so sometimes your customer will ask more about software specification. So we also prepare a comparison between the AK7710 series and the old version 7000 series. So we have a comparison to compare the old one and the new one. And this time very special is we also prepare a list of frequent asked questions to our sales, because when you go to customers, we new customer will ask you many different strange questions. So we prepare some to you in advance to help you to very quickly to answer your customer. If just take those answer for reference, if your answer is better than mine, I will be very appreciated you can share with me. And also this time we have a demo box for the IXM. On next page I will have more detail about the demo box. I really suggest you to bring demo box to customer and the live demo IXM technology face to face. I believe customer will embrace our technology when they really hands-on our demo box. Through the demo box, you can live demo auto IP setting, firmware synchronization, and the configuration synchronization in front of customers. Different from previous demo boxes, the demo box is smaller and not too heavy to carry. So please do not hesitate to borrow this demo box from your PSM. And I also suggest you to sell this to enable our channel partner to sell our product. I wish this demo box can help you selling AK7710s much easier. If you are interested in our product, don't forget to raise up your sample request to your PSM. Samples are available now, and for the mass production time, we are planning to launch in the November this year. About the product service level is C+. C+ means the lead time is 28 days after receipt of order. Okay, thanks for your time here and listen to my introduction today. If you need more information, please contact your PSM. With their strong backing, we guarantee all of you will be supported professionally. I'm not sure you all know your PSM, so I put them very handsome picture on the slide. You can see the Ken Gao is for the North American, and the Frank Low is for the Europe. Zilong is for the Great China, and Alex Chai, Alex Bad Boy is for the Intercom, and Wesley Chen is for the South Asia. And we have a new guy here is Samuel Yang. Samuel Yang is a newcomer joining our team to support the ATW, the Taiwan area. So thanks for the 6 PSM, and they have a great support in front end, and some of them are in Taiwan. Thanks of them, thank you. And if you need the technical support, you have any question about the technical, you can send your email to the icg.support@advantech.com.tw. I believe you have been using this email address for years. They have a very great support about the technical. And we have a new support email. It's about a business support. In case our PSM have tech leave or they are too busy to not reply your email, for any emergency, you can send your email to the icg.bdm@advantech.com.tw. But be sure to send to your PSM first, and of course, it's welcome to use icg.bdm. Okay, again, thanks for your time. We'll see you soon.